Next stop, we're going to fade some text here. But not just fade it, we're going to wonkify this thing. Got a nice big word, fade, which makes sense since we're going to fade text. Why not use the word fade? Let's give that a color other than black. So select it, change it to a different color. We need to convert it out of text. So we need to select it, obviously, and go to the word type and go down to create outlines. Got our first fade done. Let's move it down here. Let's actually Alt, drag, and the Shift key to keep it straight. That's not really necessary to hold the Shift key down, but we're going to make a copy. Before we do the blend, we're going to do a blend on this. I want you to go to Fade, and like I said, we're going to wonkify this thing. Let's make it purple. We're changing the color of the one on top, and understand something. Blend works through all kinds of features. We're also going to do something like, well, let's do this. Go to the word Effect and go into Distort and Transform, and we'll go into a roughen. And we're going to rough that thing beyond readability. Click OK. Keep it selected. Go into our transparency feature right here. Again, if you were in the painting workspace, it's right here. And you come over here and we're going to change the opacity to nothing. Now it looks like the transform went away. It's still there. Don't worry about that. Select both of these. Go up to the word object and down to blend, make. Not only is it making the copies like we did with the Rocket Man and the ball, but it's changing it based on where it's headed, and it's headed toward a blue invisible fade. And it's doing it in steps. Let's do a few more steps though. Go back to the word object, go down to blend, and select blend options. Let's give it a few more specified steps, like maybe 12. If we're running 12 frames a second, it will fade in 1 second. Click OK. All right. Go back to object, blend, expand. We don't want it as a blend anymore. So we got all those objects. Go back to object, go into ungroup. Now this is very important to ungroup it here, because watch what we're going to do next. All the objects are selected. Come over here into your align panel, align to center, which it should already be. But watch what happens when I say align this way. They're all on top of each other. That's exactly what I want. I don't want this moving from the bottom to the top. I want it staying right where it is and fading. Now with that done, we come over here to our layers panel. Let me bring that up here for you. Let's close this out, I guess. And you will notice that we have a whole bunch of groups. Know what to do. Select that layer. Go here and select Release to Layers Sequence. They're now layers. We come up to the word File. Go down to Save for Web and Devices. One more time. Let's go ahead and move that over. We don't need to change its size. It's fine. Change GIF, and that is pronounced GIF, not GIF. Graphics Interchange File Format. Go to SWF. Shockwave File. We'll go ahead and leave the rate at 12. Let's loop it so we can really be annoying. And check it out. All right. That's kind of spooky. You might want to use that on Halloween. So what have we done? Well, we used blend again, but we used it in a very creative way by showing that an object as it's being blended will change to the receiving object and then putting it together into a SWF file. Not too bad.